Hello everyone, this is Chris Ainsley and welcome to this lecture on creating virtual machines within the vmWare software. vmWare is a software where you can make virtual machines in a very simple way and it's highly customizable. So a very good tool for beginners. So let's begin. Firstly, we want to click create a new virtual machine. This will bring up a pop-up window where you want to choose your installation disk. I'd highly recommend using CentOS 7 Linux Red Hat software. After this, you want to choose a name for your virtual machine. Once you've done this, you want to set the hard disk size. I would recommend about 20 gigabytes personally. Then we can go into the custom hardware section and set about 1 gigabyte of RAM. This is plenty for the things we need to do. Then click finish. You'll find that vmWare loads up a virtual machine and then you get into the CentOS 7 installation. So the first thing you want to do is choose your language. Then you get into the installation summary. So the first thing you want to do, when it loads up, click on date and time, set your local time zone. Once this is done, you want to choose your installation source. It should automatically detect what one you've got on your VDI disk. Once you've done this, you want to click on software selection, where you can select the different software packages that are going to run on your virtual machine. So you want to pick 8 of these, one of which being the compatibility libraries. Then you want to click development tools. And then we're going to click the hardware monitoring utilities. And I think we're also going to have the network file system client. Overall, there are 8 packages that you should try and install to get a perfect setup. The next one will be the DNS name server. Once this is done, you want to click the file storage server and then scroll down and find the virtualization hypervisor, which is just down here at the bottom. Virtualization hypervisor, and then the last one is your platform development, and then click done. Once this is done, you want to click your installation destination and just click your SDA disk that you've already had preloaded. Then you want to configure the manual partitioning yourself. And to do this, you want to click the manual partitioning thing, go into the /boot, and then you want to delete the desired capacity contents. Once you've done this, disable kdump, and then you want to go to network and hostname, where you click on the Ethernet section and you provide a host name. I've chosen edcom.netlab.ee.port.ac.uk because these are the general host names you use in computer labs at Portsmouth University. Once you've done this, click done, and then after this you can begin your installation. Set your root password. This can be anything you desire. Make sure it's strong, then click done. And now you just wait for the installation to do, and then click reboot once it's done. Once it's done, it will reboot, load up CentOS. Again, you'll be presented with the initial setup page, accept the license, and then click done, and then finish configuration. Once this is done, you'll be greeted with a welcome screen where you can change your language, your typing, your privacy settings, your time zone, connect your online accounts, and then you can create a user for the system. Then you're ready to go. And this is the interface for CentOS 7 Red Hat Linux. You can do many things such as open terminals. Here's an example of me going into Firefox, just showing you that we do have internet connection and we can access things online. And just remember, this isn't an actual physical computer. This is a computer I've managed to create, and hopefully you will be able to too after this tutorial, online. It's not, you've got to remember, virtual machines aren't physical hardware, it's all internet hardware. So hopefully after this you can go away and create many powerful things. Thank you for listening.